One man! Hit him! Never doing aerobics again. Never. I ain't done, though. I worked 3 jobs to pay for that. I mean you.
Hey,
Look, there's a bigger jerk than me.
Last time I drank coffee.
I'm so scared. Why is my underwear all
Why'd she leave?
How did gotta get to practice. See so many products from the piece.
Greetings. Later, alligator. So long. Hey, gotta go. Later. You kids don't know how ignorant you are. There's so many schemes and plans within plans. Anyways, shut up and get to work. Shutting up and working, it works. Not too shabby, Hopkins. I guess you're not useless. All right, you're getting somewhere now. Good work, Hopkins. You have some real skill there, son. I kick it.
That's how it's done.
I don't like you! You really want me to hurt you,
If
don't
I
you?
get left back another year, I'm running.
Stinky breath!
Yo, man.
Really think about what you say before you say it.
You're my friend, right?
Oh, come on!
Won't get away with that. Getting away.
I can't believe I gotta see on my English
You
test.
thought you could do something else right now.
I wonder, did the army
Sleep
receive
it
my
off.
application?
It's hard to get around me.
General Custer made a tragic friend.
I got archives.
You can't beat yourself up over it,
Live
bucko.
while you can.
couldn't have known you were die. That's
Mr.
super
Bell, and I'll make your life
dangerous.
hell.
Welcome back, everybody. I hope none of you forgot your cameras.
Whatever, Johnny, with no friends.
I'm worried that I'm not participating enough in class.
You want to see assertive? Check this out. This is
Bye, got it.
Over here!
How droll!
You make me want to puke.
I know this is a prep school. This place is being overrun with preps.
Get a job!
Turn around!
I'm too wasted to care.
Doesn't Mommy love you?
Only a total
You're on the wrong side of it.
I'm gonna wash your mouth out with soap.
Hey, there's tracks nearby.
doofus.
You bought a ticket for the pain train.
Choo-choo!
Oh, right in the hot rod. Oh.
2 men and 1 man up!
Cheap shot.
This is too easy!
This way!
Could you be more lame?
All right, do your thing.
Loser!
Loser head.
Anger management is overrated.
I went to the girls' dorm last night.
I keep my mouth shut.
I'm telling you! Do a cycle.
Nice work, Jimmy. You're quite the photographer.
I'm getting good at this. Done and done right.
I just don't understand the minds of troublemakers.
Go for a run or something. You'll feel
I wish someone would cause some trouble. Do you even realize how much
You know, despite all the jerks in this place.
Oh, Jimmy, there you are. I've been looking all over for you.
Why, Miss Peters? What's the matter?
Well, you know how tonight is our Christmas pageant, right? It's kind of a pagan, spiritual, age-appropriate, loving thing we've got going on here. It's all about letting go and being really unself-conscious.
Sounds like heaven, miss.
Great. Well, we are about to go on stage in a couple of minutes, but our lead percussionist has appendicitis.
Oh, that sucks. Guess it's gonna be a rhythm-free pageant this year.
No! I've been planning this pageant for months. I have hand-sewn the costumes. I stayed up for days painting the backdrop for the stage. I've called on the good spirits to watch over us, and all the parents are now waiting in the auditorium.
So what do you want me to do about it?
You have to get up on that stage and play. You have to save the Christmas pageant.
Are you serious? Group participation in a public performance? No way! I'm a teenage boy.
No? What do you mean, no? You have to help me, unless you plan on failing my course.
What? You gotta be joking, right? Oh, come on. The only boys my age who like that kind of stuff end up dancing in musicals or working for Hollywood. Please.
Do I look like I'm joking? You want another F, boy?
Okay, I'll do your stupid pageant. You know, for a hippie, you're a real bully, ma'am.
Peace and love, Jimmy. Oh, and there's one other thing. You'll have to wear this.
Oh, now I know you're joking. Oh, come on, Miss Peters. This is the kind of thing I'll have to talk to my therapist about when I'm older. Have a heart. I'll look like a complete moron in front of the whole school.
Well, in my opinion, you look like the hero who saved the Christmas pageant.
Yeah? Well, it's not your opinion I'm worried about.
You'll be fine. Oh, yes! Wasn't that lovely? Oh, yes! Thank you. And now for a real holiday treat, I give you the holiday medley. Yes! Yes! Please don't mess this up, Jimmy. Oh, yes! Christmas depends on you. Oh, yes! Thank you. It's on to them. Yes!
I'm good. All right.
Crime is minor. Neither is any
I got something for you.
You're not allowed to do that. Any society that encourages tolerance.
Hey, what's up, jackass? Why don't you get
doing, boys talking to me.
I overheard Edna saying
Sorry.
she spits in the
Excuse me.
food. That's nasty. There's way too many jobs. You should really...
Sometimes my legs won't even work.
Hey, Santa. What's up?
Well, if it isn't my favorite little helper. You want to smoke? Oh no, I forgot. Little goody two-shoes doesn't smoke.
So, what are you up to? This, doesn't look like much of a workshop.
I know! We gotta fix this dump up. Look through some trash cans for ornaments or any junk that sparkles. This is a classy operation. We gotta look the part.
Oh, come on, man. With your whiskey breath and your weird manner? You just scream Christmas spirit to me.
Of course, I do. But this dump needs to look nice.
You leave it to me, Mr. Claus.
You are not getting away!
What are you doing? You ain't anything nice in years.
It's a naughty
I'm
list
gonna
for
get
you!
you. No, don't do that. Don't underestimate. Get some before you wreck yourself. For the love of Santa, I'm gonna get you, you little... I warned you. I'm gonna get it.
Maybe small in stature, but I'm big on
I got a new toy for you, kid. It's called Johnny Fight. What I wanted to do is make toys.
Okay, man. Here's all the junk I could find.
Nice going, kid. I think we're just about ready for business. Oh, by the way, you brought a camera, right? I'm afraid the elves let me down this year.
Yeah, I kind of figured they would. Don't worry, I got it covered.
Good. Now, go stand over there and make me, I mean us, rich. Ho, ho, ho!
I'm a skateboard, Rudy! I'm a skateboard! You hear me, old man?
Ow! I'm bunions! Are you insane?
Look at the camera.
Very red, have cool wheels! And grip tape! Very awesome!
Yeah! Yes, of course.
Smile.
Ho, 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 ho.
Christmas sucks! I never get what I want! I hate it!
Crimea River. Oh, yeah!
You're on camera.
I don't want to smile! Why should I? You
You're on
suck!
camera. Smile for the camera.
Well, at least you're not me. All right, maggots, who's next?
Hi, Santa. You're the best. I want lots of presents this year, okay?
Well, look who it is now. It's you.
Does your sleigh have rocket boosters? Is it eco-friendly? Na-na-na-na-na-na.
Looking for a tutor or something? I got my PhD at the School of Hard Knocks. Sorry, kid. Places to be. Reindeer to feed.
You smell like horse poop. You smell like horse poop and rubbing alcohol.
If I had a nickel for every time I'd hear that,
Na-na-na-na-boo-boo.
Santa's thirsty. Let's get this over with. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, 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 I haven't seen this much dough since my days at the track.
The track?
Yeah, you know, the reindeer games, and, oh, hey, I might be able to catch the last race. Gotta go, kid. Here's your cut.
Jimmy comes through again.
I lost my dog.
Sounds good.
Well, thank you. Do you want to go down to the carnival later?
I always do that. Always.
Have a good one, dude. See you, nerd. See ya. Talk to you later, skater.
They got me. How could I let them? If I don't get out of here soon, someone's gonna get out.
I'm gonna start up a club, like a fight club. Only instead of fighting, we'll use those colors. I wish I could.
Who are you trying to impress? Have you ever worked 80 hours a week?
Thanks so much. You're quite the little helper.